Hey, what's up guys? It's Killer55712 returning to you today with another video. And may I just add, Big Bird's out of the closet. My little tiny teacup chihuahua right there is humping Mr. Big Bird right there. And come here, Maxie, come here. He'll have to chase it. I'll make him hump it. Come on, Max bed. Can you put him out here? Max bed.
I think he's spent.
Oh, yep, he's spent. Well, I will just add a video. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. All right, watch this guy. Come on, Max. Takes it to his den. Come on. Sorry if this video is unqualified. I'm not using my phone right now. Gotta work up your appetite. If you know what I mean, ladies. Alright guys, hang on, I'm gonna skip until I start. Oh wait. Casual, Max, just casual. Humps it and leaves. Big Bird, you sexist. I mean, look at this. Look how big Big Bird is.
Sexist? Big Bird's easy.
Big Bird is like 3 times Max's size. Alright, I will skip until he humps it again. Thrust, hips. One more time for you guys. Max, I'm not dropping your sex toy. It's like, all right, you're going to my den now. I don't want to know it. I don't want to know what he does under there. Max, he's my boy. He is definitely my boy. My little sex bubby. Are you all tired out? Doing Big Bird, you little secret agent, you. Like I said, Big Bird is out of the closet. He's exposed.